Scene 1, meeting at the park.
Hi, Sophia. Hi, Emma. It's a beautiful day. Yes, the weather is perfect. Thank you for inviting me. You're welcome. I'm happy you're here. Me too. I love spending time outdoors. Me too. Let's find a nice place to sit. That tree looks perfect. Great idea.
Scene 2, setting up the picnic.
I'll spread the picnic blanket. Thank you. What did you bring? I made sandwiches this morning. They look delicious. I also brought apples, grapes, and orange juice. Wonderful. I brought cookies and potato chips. That's perfect. We have plenty of food.
Scene 3, enjoying lunch.
Would you like a sandwich? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you. Do you like cheese sandwiches? Yes, they're my favorite. Mine too. Everything tastes so fresh. I'm glad you like it.
Scene 4, talking about hobbies.
What do you like to do on weekends? I enjoy reading books and walking in the park. That sounds relaxing.
What about you?
I like riding my bicycle and taking pictures. That's fun. Nature is beautiful. I agree.
Scene 5, watching the park.
Look at those children playing. They look so happy. I also see people walking their dogs. That little puppy is adorable. Yes, it is. There are many colorful flowers here. This park is one of my favorite places. I can understand why.
Scene 6, making weekend plans.
Do you have any plans for next weekend? Not yet. Would you like to go hiking? That sounds exciting. We can invite a few friends. Great idea. I'll bring snacks. I'll bring drinks.
Scene 7, cleaning up.
We should clean up before we leave. Yes, let's keep the park clean. I'll collect the empty bottles. I'll fold the blanket. Don't forget the trash bag. Everything is packed now. Great teamwork. Thank you for helping.
Scene 8, saying goodbye.
I had a wonderful time today. Me too. Thank you for inviting me. You're always welcome. Let's have another picnic soon. I'd love that. Have a great week. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye.